So hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to register on Discord. So once you're here on Discord, so I'm just going to put a bunch of stuff right here. And I'm just going to go through this. Let's just pause the video. So there, once I'm all done with that, so when you put the date of birth, so let's say you're just going to put random something right there and continue. There. When you click on continue, so this pops up. So the reason for this is that you must be at least 13 years old to use Discord. So as you can see, when you go back, I intentionally put the wrong date of birth, but for others' case, sometimes they miss that part and unintentionally put the wrong date of birth, or others is just that they're too young to use Discord. But for you to fix this, what you'd want to do is go to settings right here of your browser, settings, and scroll down till you see the privacy and security tab, and click on the clear browsing data. So make sure that these two are turned on, and for the time range, set it to the last hour so that it will only affect what you did the last hour, like the Discord thing, and not all the time, since it may affect other website that you don't want to clear the data from. And once you're done with that, just click on clear data. So we are doing this because when you go back to login and click on register, it will just pop up like that. When we clear this, it will refresh it. So click on clear data. Once that's done, just need to refresh this page. And as you can see, I can now create an account again. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.